Elevate your ride with the Type S Optic Trim LED Kit, a sleek, low-profile lighting solution designed to enhance your vehicle's interior. Welcome to the Type S Garage. I'm Isaac, and today we're going to take a look at our brand new Type S Optic Trim LED Kit. Featuring two ultra-slim 84-inch LED trim strips, this kit delivers vibrant ambient lighting with 15 color options and 6 dynamic light modes. Customize your lighting effects with glow, blink, strobe, fade, prism, or cycle modes. All of these are controlled wirelessly with the included RF remote control. You can control your lighting from up to 14 feet away. Installation is plug and play. Simply connect the included 12-volt adapter to your vehicle and turn them on. Upgrade your ride's interior style. The Type S Optic Trim LED Kit is lighting made easy.